Greetings, fellow humans. Bad Mark here with another transmission from Metre Keyboards, and I just wanted to make a quick video of this set from XVX. They're called Manga themed, and I know there's a few of them out there. This is the first time I've tried any of them, and I've got to say, I really like them. And everybody I've showed these to, it catches their eye. They stop and they ask about it. I have kids and they have friends, so I have a good amount of traffic, and I just kind of set it out there, and I didn't see a single person walk by it without saying something about it and how cool it was and just how unique it looked. And it almost kind of looks surreal. Some of the pictures that I took, myself as well as others, thought, wow, they just look really cool. These are some actually, and not only do they look really nice, they sound nice. There's some well-made die-subbed keycaps. They come measuring in at 1.7 millimeters. Yeah, 1.7 millimeters. So they're going to sound really nice and give you that deeper tone, that creamy tone. They're pretty well kitted out. They do include an extra B, though they don't have the split space bars, the plus and the enter key, or even the long shift could be used as the space bars, in my opinion. They do have an extra 7U space bar, so this is compatible with the Tsangan bottom row. And WKLs, because it has the, I believe they're 1.25 or 1.5. I forget exactly what the measurement of the modifiers are, but it has the numerous shifts, so you're going to be compatible with 65 and 75% that have the 1.75U shift unit. You also have the single 1U modifiers on the right of the space bar, as well as the standard size modifiers, and the alt is in the other tray. So it's well kitted. It's going to fit a lot of keyboards, and it's well priced. I gotta say, these are a really nice set, and I'm going to go ahead and I loaded these up. This is an Akko Mod 007 V3. I've got the FR4 flex plate on there. It's actually quite flexy. I do need to come back to it. I'm going to be changing out to the PC plate, but I've got Princess linears loaded up on here, and these PBT Manga themed die-sub keycaps in a cherry profile. I'm going to go ahead and leave you guys with the sound test of these. I do hope that everybody enjoyed this review and the sound test. If you have any questions, as always, leave them down below. But until the next transmission, keep calm and keyboard on.